next innovator is Worklight. Please welcome its Vice President for Marketing and Product Strategy, Mr. David Lavenda.
Your website is not generating the business you need. There are just too many companies vying for people's attention. Yet failure to attract customers can sink your business. Do you think this is a problem? Well, here's something to think about. Did you know that according to a recent Focusrite research, you did if you were here this morning, you should anyway, approximately 70% of U.S. travelers bought travel services online last year. How much of that was from your site? And with today's economic outlook and competitive landscape, can you afford to let competitors take your business away? My name is David Lavenda, and I'm going to show you how Worklight is revolutionizing the way travel companies do business on the web today. With Worklight, your customers are always on. They get timely information and status updates, and they can order flights, hotels, rental cars, and travel packages using slick Web 2.0 consumer tools like Facebook, iGoogle, iPhone, Windows Live, Yahoo Widgets, and many, many others, and it's all secure. There's no more need to navigate complex websites or count on endless email updates. With Worklight, this is how your customers interact with you. Let's see how it works. Well, as a frequent traveler, I like to track my upcoming flights online. What if I could see and update flights details on my homepage, desktop, or iPhone without having to log in every time? Well, that sounds great if it can be done, but what about security? Worklight is a server-based product that lets travel companies connect with their customers in the places where the customers are spending their time online, like this iGoogle homepage. Here's just one example of what Worklight can do. The gadget you see here was supplied by my favorite airline, Flyrite. So I'm just going to log into this. I log in once using my website username and password, and once authenticated, I see a list of my upcoming flights. Now, this personalized information is available every time I visit my homepage. I can even check in or change flight details directly from the gadget. So let's see, I'm going to check in here. I can confirm it and pick some of the options that I have. Even print the boarding pass directly from here. Now let's take a look at another gadget from my favorite hotel chain, Stay Right. So you can see here my open reservations. So okay, that's pretty straightforward. But with Worklight, I can also do secure transactions like booking a room. Let's see how we do this for a hotel in New York. Whoops. Pick the days. Now, Stay Right uses my profile and preference information to offer the recommendations and keep everything really simple. I can just book it, confirm it, and you'll see that reservation has been made. The reservation's been made and guaranteed with my credit card, and there are no redirects or unnecessary clicks. Now, connecting with customers this way opens a channel for highly targeted offers and promotions. Always on means customers see promotions, like this one at the bottom of the gadget for Hawaiian vacation, before they expire. The promotion, that is, not the customers. So let's see how that works. Just click on that, and it gives me an option, again, based on my profile and preferences, and then I can book it directly from the gadget. It's really that simple. Customers sign up for the convenience, but you reap the benefits of customer retention, significantly higher ad conversion rates, and lower distribution cost, plus enhanced brand value. Oh, by the way, the same gadgets you see here running on iGoogle, well, they also run on a variety of other Web 2.0 platforms. So I showed you iGoogle. Let's take a look at the same ones running on Yahoo as a Yahoo desktop widget. So you can see I can basically run the same ones here, and also I can show you as an iPhone application. So you can basically just see the same thing they showed you before, and I Google running here as well. Now here's something else to think about. Consumers are spending a lot of time on social networking sites like Facebook. What if we could tap into this FaceTime to do more business? Now wouldn't that be amazing? Well, with Worklight you can. Let's see how this works. Now, here's my Facebook page, and I noticed that one of my friends, Gail Dawson, has added a Worklight travel application here branded by Flyrite. I simply install it by clicking on the link just like I would other Facebook applications like Funwall or Superpoke. Because of its popularity, Facebook is uniquely able to reach millions of travelers through viral distribution. You'd never be able to do this on your website. Now, since I've already installed the application, I simply click on the link to launch it and to log in. Now, since I'm already logged in, my profile and preferences are already used to personalize my experience. So I can start to pick a destination, pick Hawaii, and the recommendation is for Oahu. So I can read about it, ask questions, ask a friend, and socially network around this. Or I can go right to recommended and see what some of my friends have also recommended as far as a hotel. So you notice in this screen you can share things like photos, recommendations, travel information. You can also embed highly targeted promotions here on the left side of the screen. And you can also create personalized discussion boards. But in this case, you moderate the discussions and you generate the targeted promotions without the costly placement fees. Now, since Worklight makes this secure, and that's the key, it's very secure, consumers can book hotels, reserve cars and flights, and buy vacation packages all from within Facebook. In fact, Worklight is the only solution that lets you do this from Facebook. No private information is ever stored on Facebook or any other third-party server. Can you imagine the kind of business you'll be able to do when you can reach customers like this? Now, there's a lot of sophistication that Worklight provides in order to make this possible. Creating the travel gadgets or the Facebook applications or discussion groups, that's really the easy part. Where Worklight does the heavy lifting is to ensure that customers securely complete transactions directly from consumer Web 2.0 sites. You write the client interface only once, but then deploy it across any one of the Web 2.0 tools or services where customers are already spending their time, and the solution scales to service millions of people. Now, I've just shown a few sample applications, but there's actually a lot more. But the common denominator is that you always use the same Web 2.0 tools and services to actually do business. That's pretty powerful. Let me leave you with 3 things to remember about Worklight. It will improve your bottom line, allowing you to do business where people are spending their time online. It will open a viral opt-in channel for you and your customers, and you can't afford to ignore it because your competitors have already seen the light. Worklight. Thank you.
Worklight, thank you very much.